Friends with benefits is a ridiculous concept, and it's often just an excuse for poor behavior. The vast majority of men and women agree that making love in a committed, loving relationship is far superior to just a casual hookup. Sometimes, two people will verbally agree that their relationship is only friends with benefits. But there are more women who say they are okay with being friends with benefits, than women who actually are okay with being friends with benefits. Friends with benefits arrangements can take a lot of forms, so it's important to start off on the same page. Here are the 5 signs you're only friends with benefits. Number 1. You're his secret. If he introduced you by your name and nothing else, and also showed zero affection in public, then you are his secret. If he's looking at you as relationship material, he wants to be seen in public with you. He wants you to meet his friends and family, and parties with you. If you're just friends with benefits, he doesn't want to involve you with other important people in his life. The main event is having sex, not getting to know each other and being a part of each other's life. Number 2. He shows minimal effort. If the man is putting in minimal effort, he thinks about you as only a friend with benefits. Minimal effort looks different in different situations. It may be that you're doing the bulk of initiating contact. It may be that he only calls you at the end of a night out with the guys. If you're honest with yourself, you feel it. You know you're towards the bottom of his priority list. Number 3. All your hangouts are inside the house. If time together is unlikely to lead to sex, he's not interested in getting together. When you do have sex, it's likely that he will leave before morning or want you to go if you're at his place. He will not leave you at his place when he has to go to work. You'll be leaving when he leaves, or before. If he refuses to be seen with you outside the house, then that's a bad sign, obviously. Number 4. You don't talk about anything real. When you do have conversations, they're pretty meaningless. You don't dive into the big things because he's not that interested in really knowing you. He seldom calls to see how you are or just to check in. There are few texts just to say, "Have a good day," or "Good night." For him, you're the girl he sleeps with, not the girl he's planning to spend the rest of his life with. He keeps your talk simple so that the relationship can stay simple too. Number 5. He's never there when you need him. Any basic boyfriend duty is not his job. Why? Because he wants to make it clear that he's not your boyfriend. He's not the person you turn to when times are hard. He's not a shoulder to cry on. You can want him in your bed, but you can never need him, at least not emotionally. It's not that he can't be there for you, it's that he doesn't want to be. Number 6. He doesn't really cares about your life. Want to talk about your day? Tell it to someone else, because he honestly just doesn't care. He's not your boyfriend, so he doesn't have to listen to your problems. You're not friends, you're not together, and that's why you feel like you can't really talk to him. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.